for a Valkyrie we've met, lad.
How do you know?
Corporeal, but different. Looks like the bastard's finally done it.
We don't want to fight you. Let's lock this out.
Doesn't seem she's in the mood to talk.
We freed your sister. Can we beat her?
We have beaten a Valkyrie before! We will again!
Not messing about, is she?
No!
Father, are you okay?
Focus on the enemy, not me!
Yes, sir. Please, stop!
Gather shield!
We're not the bad guys here! Why won't you say anything?
Poison! Don't touch it!
Every agony, every violation imaginable.
Atreus! You do not want this! Control your mind! Control it! She was our friend. Atreus.